Okay, Chris, you're here back again. No, you're always overseas. You're back here observing some tennis, some of our top players that you've worked with. Talk a bit about Davis Cup being around the corner and how you're going to have to get these guys into the type of physical condition that you want them to be to compete at the best.
So we're gonna start off with tomorrow. Tomorrow gonna be the first day for the future. So basically, we start tomorrow, train through. Even though they're playing in a tournament setting, like we're still gonna train to get ready for the Davis Cup.
And when these guys hear that you're going to assemble them to do some work, you can see it in their faces. They don't really like that, right?
Well, I work with Blaze all the time over Zoom. Actually, Randy, we all I talk to them just about all the time, so it's nothing new. I mean, they're getting to the point where now it's becoming a formality for us to just train at a certain level because that's where we want to be.
Do you think our guys are at that level of fitness as yet?
Well, Blaze been playing, Randy been playing, and John. So basically, I keep in touch with all of them. We have them in the program right now with Coach Mel. So we definitely make sure everyone is staying fit.
What have you been doing? Every time I see you, you're on a plane somewhere working with some high school, college team, whatever. Talk a bit about your business and how it has grown and how you've evolved.
Being overseas, the kids are a little bit more acceptable to want to train at level. Parents will pay to get their kids what they want. As in Jamaica, I don't think getting your kid a trainer is as important as in the U.S. Everybody in the U.S. think that I want to go to college, I want to be in the NFL, NBA. So it's a little bit different here. We don't have that structure, but hopefully with Blaze and those guys making it to the next level, we hope that Blaze could get into the 100 in the next year or so, and that will help the public in Jamaica to understand that to grow, you have to invest in your kids' education and athletic ability. If you don't, you're going to be left out. But overseas is it's just a heaven, man. Everybody wants to be good. Right now one of my top clients is Stephon Diggs, that's playing for the Buffalo Bills, one of the best receivers in the country. Plus Nick Cross, which is my son, that got drafted. Now he's playing in the NFL. So it's just looking good.